In this safe home experiment, a clear bottle hosts a gravity-powered density tornado using layered water, sugar, and dye. Density differences drive the show. Sugar-rich water sinks, while plain water and dye rise, creating colorful rings. Step 1. Pour warm water, dissolve sugar fully, then layer a lighter solution, add a dash of food coloring. Step 2. Seal, twist the bottle to start the swirl. Observe how convection and diffusion shape the vortex. Common surprises include temporary bubbles and temperature-driven speed changes, underscoring safe prep and the elegance of basic physics.